Moving back and forth between platforms can be inefficient and frustrating. We're going to show you how you can use Data Explorer to help you validate your analysis faster and remove the friction of having to go between different platforms. Choose an analysis you want to run. Say I have a data set of emails and need to mark those that are listed as spam. Let's see how I can use Julius to verify my results. Okay, we've set it up and we're going to run it. Once that's complete, expand Data Explorer in the right-hand sidebar. Here you can view your data and instantly verify your results. You might have a data set with a lot of rows, and that's okay. You can view all the rows you've uploaded and see what Julius has done with your data. If you see any errors or want to make changes, you can ask Julius to make those updates for you. For example, let's remove a row that we don't need in the analysis. Once you're done with your analysis, you can download it or share it. And that's it. Want to give it a try? Sign up for Julius today and let us know how you like it. And if you have any other feature requests, let us know in the comments below.